Good morning, student. I am OP Khan, teacher of MGSS Darbhanga, class 3rd, subject science, chapter 4, chapter name birds. Dear student, I taught you yesterday about beaks of birds. Today I will teach you feet of birds. Birds have two legs and feet. Most birds have four toes on each feet. They use their feet to climb, run, perch, hold, swim, and wait. Climbing feet, toes facing in both directions, used to hold and climb trees. Example, woodpecker. Running feet, three thick toes used for running fast. Example, ostrich. Picking and holding feet, a strong and sharp claw to pick and hold animals. Claw are called talons. Example, eagles. Perching feet, three toes point in front and a fourth toe at the back. The fourth toe is long and hold firmly on two branches. This is called perching. Example, a sparrow. Swimming feet. Feet are webbed to paddle in water to search for food. Example, duck. Wading feet, long legs to wade in water to search for food. Example, crane. Feathers of birds. There are three types of feathers on a bird's body. Body feathers. Body feathers cover the complete body of the bird and give it a curved shape. They are found everywhere except the wing, legs, and feet. These feathers give shape to the body. Second, flight feather. These are large in size and found in wings and tail. Flight feathers help the bird to fly. Down feather. Down feather are soft and fluffy. Fluffy means light and full of air. They are found close to the skin and keep the bird warm. A bird makes two kinds of a movement, up stroke movement and down stroke movements. Up stroke movement and down stroke movement. When the wings push down, flying, the feathers stay close together and do not let air move between them. Upstroke. When the wings are pulled up, air is able to move between the feathers. Birds bends their wings during the upstroke to move through less air. Thank you.